and see that no hanky-panky is going on. No one is living at the house now, but they said some strange noises have been going on there. So I want you to go there and guard the place for me, alright?
Strange noises? So, you're going to give me a backup?
You'll be going alone, but not the left fear.
Oh, alright. So, me not going to get a dog or anything?
We'll give you a baton.
A baton? Yes. Alright. That should be alright.
Oval, take Oliver to the storeroom and fit him with a uniform for me.
Yes, sir. How I look? Pretty?
Dread.
I hope you mean that as a compliment.
Naturally. Tomorrow before you come and say, get a shave. We have a no-bake policy here. See?
Oliver.
What is it, my dear fellow?
I have something to tell you.
Well, speak.
This address you're going, 53 Garnet Street.
Yes?
Is that an old house, about 100 years old?
So what?
You remember that nice soup that I tell you about?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Some people say that the place haunted. But you don't believe in a Duppy, so I mean, you shouldn't have a problem with that.
No, sir.
Miss Bennett, she herself not believing in the ghost there, but her head not so feeble. No, I just figured that, I should tell you this, so that when 12 o'clock come and if you hear a strange sound, you know what it is. See?
Oval, why you don't come up to the house? 53 Garnet Street. Let me play some domino. About 11 o'clock. Just to pass some time.
Well, Oliver, as much as I love domino, now I have a date I have to keep. I'm sorry, my touchdown.
All right. Goers. Choppiness. But I wonder if a Duppy would have really come up here to me, doing. I would have beat them with me baton. Make them come, man. Make them come.
Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I might not find out yet. I and I so frightened. All the dark and name I forget. Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman.
The place is as quiet as a tomb. As quiet as... I don't even know, yeah. I don't know what the fussing was all about. Perhaps I feel like a snooze. It's not right to sleep on the job. Oh. Must have fallen asleep. What is that? I said, what is that? Man, why they put the cursing thing in the way, don't you? Why some people is so careless? Chop! What is that? I said, what is that? Who is out there? I hear you come out. Me not left my work. So anything can go on there because me not left the liquor work for me get. You know long me about to get a work I'll never get now. I know me still left it. You know could have scream and creak and growl and call up. Me not left the work. Oh. That must be puss. What a puss don't grow? Who is it? Listen to me now. If I Duppy, me a conqueror. Me no play that one. Oh no, name so bad I do not dead. I don't want to come back and fright me now. Go back to the grave. Oh, we kill them. So them living life is so them living death. That is again. If I ever catch him, I see. I'll lift him up by the tail and make him go lift up green battle. I want them. Woof! Woof! Not here, no here. What that the fool says a serious puss. I want him come up here. Make him come because I'm afraid I This boy. This boy here. What is going on inside here? Well, me will protect myself. Me I'm gonna protect myself coming up here now. That's right. Come in and come in and you think me fear. You think so me fear. Let them come. Yep now. Who no come now? For me fear down. From the north to the south to the east and to the west. Come. Roll him here. Come now, man. I want you come. I have your corner from the east, north, south, and west. So come in and walk. Somebody bonks me. Here. Grand trumpet. Tommy Johnson. Grand trumpet. Me not afraid of nothing. Me not. But then I don't feel afraid of it. I want them come to for me to run. Me not where they got it. Where me get no, but me not can on. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Lord of His mercy. No, no matter how much money them have pay me, even $200,000, me not turn in ya. Me God, overload.
You're a gunman, I might not find out yet. I and I so frightened, on the daughter name I forget. Well, if you must, I don't be a gunman.
Oliver?
No.
Hey, Oliver, wake up, man, wake up. Oliver.
No.
Oliver, wake up.
Oval, is where you do ya? What make you never knock?
Me knock, man, but me never hear it, so me just let in myself. How last night work out?
Last night? Oval, what make you never tell me say the house was a haunted
No,
house?
me I try to tell you, man, the people themselves haunted, but me don't know, man.
Me never pick up the rake. Me say, Master, hell pop last night, you know.
What you say?
Me say some things go on up at that the house, me I tell you. They say when the Duppy them come in at the house for me, you say, man, them all turn puss, you know. And them joke me, you know, over. They say, my head go big, so my tongue get heavy. When you look for my skin, you could have greater coconut pan it. Master, make me tell you one thing, you know. That security guard work there, me done with it. Or I go and try for the Olympics.
So what, you turn half of it now?
And last night I realized my true potential. When the rolling cap them come in for me and the sorcerer them hand the Duppy them. Man, I put me foot in my hand and I broke at third speed, you see. Quarry was a boy man last night. He couldn't catch me.